Tactical arbitrage done for you. That's what this video is going to be about, and you're going to love it, especially if you are a beginner, because a lot of times with beginners, not only do you not know how to really use the software, even once you get a little more comfortable with it, the next question becomes, out of all of these websites, where should you be sourcing? What websites should you be using? And what categories should you be looking at? That's very important, because if you don't know where you should be, especially as a beginner, you're not going to be satisfied with the results. So what we did was we put all that together for you in what we call the Lightning Course 2.1. And in this course, you're going to see how to actually put together a search with the websites that are some of my favorites and what categories you're going to want to look at. And when it's all said and done, we put a link down in the description. There's a link down in the description that will actually give you a free bulk list with everything that I'm going to show you all done for you, so that at the end, all you need to do is literally in about 2 clicks, you can have a search up and running. This is going to be great for you, because then you can get started and start getting those results right away. Let's get into it. This is what to sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. Let's go. All right, hustlers, thank you for taking a moment of your time to join me. My name is Horace, also known as La Machine, and this is what to sell on Amazon. On this channel, we talk everything selling on Amazon using the arbitrage business model. So if that's something that you're into, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Do it right now, because it's free and you won't miss any of the content that we come out with each and every week for your benefit. For example, we go live on Sundays, and it's not just me yipping and yakking, it's an entire panel. It is the Working Class Hustler panel. It's a lot of fun. And you can come out there so that you can engage with us, ask your questions, and have them addressed by an entire panel. Or if you like, you could just quietly enjoy in the background, your choice. But what time? When are you going to be prepared for it? Well, that depends. You need to be subscribed so that you're notified. Also, if you would like to connect with me, that is also free. It's something that I do just because I love to do it. Text the words Working Class Hustler to the number on your screen. Fill out the quick prompt to help me better serve you. And from there, you can start asking me your quick questions. You can ask my opinions, my advice. All of that is available for you as well. Do take advantage. Now, let's get involved and show you exactly what we're talking about as far as your bulk list. Okay, hustlers, so where we are right now is in the dashboard of Tactical Arbitrage. Now, this video assumes that you already have the basics of working in Tactical Arbitrage. If not, make sure you watch the Lightning Courses parts 1 and 1.1. That'll get you up to speed on that. But once you understand that, here, I'm going to highlight my cursor so we can follow along. We're going to go into product search. If this comes up, go ahead and hit delete. And then what you're going to do is come down to here where it says import bulk category list. You're going to toggle that on. Then it's going to ask you to choose the file. Okay. You're going to go out to wherever you have it. The file is going to be called Barnes Best Coals. All right. You'll put that in, and there it is. From there, you'll say upload. And now, once you see that category like that populated in there, go ahead and upload it. And now you see it right here. From there, you're ready. So that's already in there. And from there, all you have to do is get your filters together. And once your filters are done, you'll go ahead and hit search. And here you can see it's already started in Barnes and Nobles, and it's running. And you're all set, guys. 2 clicks, maybe a little bit of adjustment with your filters, and you're good to go. Okay, hustlers. So from there, what you want to do, remember, around here, all roads lead to tactical arbitrage. This is just getting you started searching. If you haven't, there's a link down in the description for you to go ahead and get your 10-day free trial of tactical arbitrage. But what we want to do for you with all the courses and all the mini series that we have is to make sure that not only do you sign up, but when you sign up, you're ready. You're actually ready to make money. Okay. You do that by understanding how to use the software. That's so important. So what you want to do, we have a mini series on tactical arbitrage, and then we also have the other lightning courses. So if you haven't watched the lightning course part 1, 1.1, part 2, okay, watch those. Even if you have, they're very short, and you'll get little nuggets here and there. So make sure you watch those as well. That way you learn as much as you can. Then use that link down in the description to sign up for your free 10-day trial. And we'll see you in the next video.